Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a project share for a card that I made for my design team project for Decorate Your Life. And this is her Cutti Patootie printable kit. So what I done is I made a card and I took, I'm going to show you guys because I had the kit right here. I took this page and covered my cardstock with it, my card base with it. And then I went back in and cut out another piece and covered it with the same paper. And then I took another piece of cardstock, and I'll have all the measurements up on my blog for this. Let me see. I went and I cut out this one right here, or you can use this one over here. I cut her out and put her on a piece of cardstock and made it layered. Now, the thing is, on the inside, I do have the match, right? But I put it in a different way. Okay, here we go. I have like this and like that. Okay. Now, I also have a belly band here where they can put a gift card, a note if they don't want to write over here. You know, they can use the belly band for anything. And here's the back of the card. Now, I did ink it up with Vintage Photo, one of my favorite Tim Holtz inks. And that's how I'm going to do it. Okay? Now, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And make sure you check out Decorate Your Life. That's DECOR, the number 8, Your Life, on .com, and check out her sales and everything. She doesn't only have printables, she also has traveler's notebooks and different items for you to purchase, which is she's having a sale right at this moment. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.